I've never kept a secret this long in my whole entire life. Anyone that knows me knows like I'm an oversharer. I don't like do secrets. Like I don't know. I just like, it gives me anxiety to keep a secret. And Travis has been doing something for so long now that I've had to keep a secret, and it has been killing me on the inside. And today is the day that I finally get to freaking announce what you do for work, honey. And I'm so excited.
Is it a secret?
It's been a huge secret because I have not been able to tell anybody what you do. So we thought it would be fun before we just like announce what he does to play a little game for the people that have been here for a while and have been following us since like before we even got married or had kids. You guys know Travis. You kind of have grown up with us. Like we've grown up with you on camera and on YouTube. And I feel like it would be fun to kind of guess. So we've come up with 4 different jobs for Travis, and one of them is one that he actually is doing that's been a secret that we haven't been able to tell you, and so we wanted you to guess. The first one is
yonder.
Okay, so throw me one of them in no specific order, and I want you guys down below in the comments, let me know what you guys think out of everything that we tell you, what he might be. And don't cheat. Okay. You guys think that Travis is a PE coach. Let us know down in the comments. Okay, what's the next job?
Do you think I am a police officer?
Copy.
Go for Travis. Go for T.
Okay, what's next? So let us know down below if you think police officer, PE coach, or
exotic dancer.
You know, like the girls that go to fly to Vegas, like for the weekend to go dance and then fly back. Do you guys think Travis is an exotic male dancer? Yeah. Let us know down in the comments below. We have one last one. Do you guys think Travis is a firefighter?
Firefighter.
Let us know down below. So also just giving you guys like a little heads up or a hint. How old are you, babe?
I am 47.
Okay.
I will be 48 in September.
Okay, so he's almost gonna be 48 years old. A 48-year-old, by the way, you look amazing for your age. Okay, so let us know down in the comments. I want you guys' guesses just because it's fun to see. Like, I think a lot of people had said prior that they thought you were a police officer. Do you want me to stay here for the story time of how you got this job and how it came to be?
Here's my story time. Do you guys have on your pajamas and your fireplace?
Your fireplace. Put your
So-
onesies on, grab a snack, grab something to drink. This is about to get good, girls. Story time.
So whether you guys know or not, I don't know. We moved out here to Tennessee the beginning of 2024. So I had a good amount of time to actually think of what I wanted to do, because Shannon at the time had said I do want to spend more time with the kids, and then I got an opportunity to really kind of think of what I actually wanted to do in a place that I like could do it, kind of thing.
Wait, we have to like go back because I think that's kind of confusing. I wanted to, so just so you guys know, let's rewind. Maybe people have no idea who we are, so if you're here for the first time, I was doing YouTube for a decade and Travis was like working with me, but he didn't really have like a job where he did stuff like outside of YouTube, right? So he had just been really supportive of me, helping me out. And then also, then we had kids and he was helping out with the kids while I was working. And I had said, you know, I would love to be able to spend more time with the kids. Do you think you can get a job? We were trying to figure out like what he could do, and this is how this came about. Okay.
Well, it's not what I can do. I mean, because there's a lot of things I can do. It's just more of what would I be passionate, what would I be excited about, and what is actually fulfilling. Because I think now, at my age now, and it's not, no offense to anybody doing whatever they're doing, because everyone needs to make a living, everyone has to bring in money, but I just didn't want to kind of do something meaningless, and I just didn't really want to go out and sell, you know, widgets or something and back. I make a bunch of money. Shannon will tell you, everybody has different passions, and you help people in different ways, like with your books and like doing videos and talking about things and stuff like that. And you do it just a different way, and that's the beauty about different. Everybody has different things in life that they want to do, and hopefully they find something that they want to do and then it makes money and stuff.
Yeah.
So
we had been for a while, like while he was helping me out doing all the editing and stuff, I had said, babe, like, what do you want to do? Like, what are you passionate about? Like, I wanted him because I felt like he was unhappy, like editing for me, and it wasn't really something that made him, that he enjoyed doing. And so I kept asking him, like, what do you want to do? Like, what are you passionate about? What do you love doing? And he just like, you know, was struggling even at his age. So I feel like hopefully his story is going to inspire someone out there that maybe is older and is like, I still don't know what I'm supposed to be doing with my life. Don't feel bad, because like some of the most successful people didn't do whatever it is that they're famous for, or like that they found their passion when they were like 60, when they were a lot older. So yeah. I love his story, and I think it's so special to be able to share.
Well, there are things that I really enjoy doing, but it's more for ourselves. So like real estate stuff, I like doing house stuff, but I don't want to do that on other people's properties. I don't want to remodel someone else's house and like have that like my job, even though I know all the how to do stuff, and I do that on our houses. It's just I don't.
Anyway, I had been for a long time now for years trying to help out Travis, like find something that he loved doing, whether that was coaching other people. He's very passionate about like food, and people read labels, like I don't know, anything like coaching. Like I try to find and like help him, and for years he just wasn't into it until a year ago now? When do you think that you...
before that. It was pretty much like when we got out here, so it's been like a year and a half, I would say.
A year and a half ago, he finally for the first time said, I want to do this. And I was like, okay, like I support whatever it is that you want to do, go for it. Well, first you had to train for it, right? You had to study, or what did you have to do?
No, so basically, you have to, I mean, there are a bunch of requirements that you have to do and you have to pass. So you have a written test, you have a physical test, you have a whole background check. Like,
that was big. Did they do like don't they do like a lie detector test?
A lot of places do, but some places don't. Mm-hmm. But they may have like a police officer in there in different meetings and stuff, and it's like watching and analyzing and stuff like that.
So if I was watching this right now as a viewer, I'd be like, oh, maybe I think he worked for the CIA or the FBI, but
that's not that. It is.
It's like what's like a sound effect, and so we'll put like police sirens on, tell them that like the police are coming, and then they'll stop doing whatever it is that they're doing bad. It's probably a horrible thing to do, but we do. So I'm telling Travis to put on. Okay, ready? Tell me when.
Pretty good one.
Travis is a firefighter. Honey is a firefighter, you guys. Travis became a firefighter at 47 years old. 47! And it was not an easy trek to get there at his age. And he has quite the story on how it all came to be. But if you guys want to see a story time, the whole story behind it.
It was most all of last year.
Yeah. So you've been doing it for, it took you a year to become a firefighter?
No, I was working on it, applying and interviewing and doing all these things. Not with one, not with two, but three, like multiple different departments. But I'm saying as far as the beginning of the year, kind of like what I knew I wanted to do, and then in studying and testing and all that stuff, like it was and most of the year.
Does he look so hot in a firefighter in a costume, in a firefighter costume. What is it? Uniform.
It's a costume.
Yeah, no, it's not a costume. You know what I mean?
It's a very expensive costume.
Yeah, gosh, I realize how much money goes into like the fines should go, but like you guys we spend a lot of money on the fire department, and it's so crazy because like a lot of times you feel like you marry someone, they kind of like are already in their career or their job, so like what you're marrying into, and I didn't. It was like a surprise. I'm like always surprised by Travis. He surprised me with all kinds of things all the time, and he decided to surprise me by becoming a firefighter, and it is literally the hottest thing ever. Well, I'm like, oh, so hot.
We met later in life though too, so I mean I was already in my 30s. I just had an 8 to 5 corporate job. But
I think it's so super hot that he's a firefighter now. So but we had to keep it quiet for a long time, so now we are able to talk about it, and we're very proud of him.
Yeah, I'm super excited about it.
He loves his job. He's so passionate. It's a really heartfelt, really good, inspiring, encouraging story. Like, because it wasn't just like, oh, he signed up and passed all the tests and got hired. It was there was a lot of rejection. No, he passed everything, and so I thought like for a while like he just wasn't no one would hire him because of his age, but lo and behold, when you want something bad enough and you do not give up and you are persistent and you just go for it, it happen. So I just think it's really inspiring. If you guys want to hear like Travis do a little story time on like how he became a firefighter and all his trials and tribulations to get there, let us know down in the comments below. But otherwise, we just wanted to share this. We thought it'd be fun to like hang out with you guys for a little bit and share finally what he does after all this time. You guys, I'm sending you all my love and my positive energy, and hope to see you in my next video. Mwah.